I always had the desire to explore, to see places, to know the unknown. To meet people of diverse cultures, ethnicity. To know humanity. Basically, to know myself. The day I owned this motorcycle, the child in my heart knew I'm going to ride it a long way. Today is the 5th of November 2019 and my family and friends are helping me to pack my bags.
আমি প্ৰিপেয়াৰেশ্যনখিনি কৰি আছোঁ। এইটো কেমেৰা লগাইছোঁ, GoPro Hero 7 এনেকৈ লোৱা আছে, 4খন কাৰ্ড, তিনিটা বেটাৰী আৰু এটা GoPro আছে মোৰ লগৰজন ৰাজু।
I am Pankaj Das and I am getting ready for a 6-nation tour. Accompanying me for this journey is my friend Raju.
So we are here for brotherhood and peace.
ভাল লাগিছে আৰু মানে এডভেঞ্চাৰাছ টুৰ এটা আশা কৰিছোঁ আৰু ভালে কুশলে ঘূৰি আহিব।
We are riding 2 Harleys. We plan to accomplish this tour in 46 days. Starting from India, we plan to cover Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam and Cambodia before returning to my hometown Guwahati. Brothers of our Hawk chapter and the dealer of Harley-Davidson bikes have organized a send-off ceremony at the showroom in Guwahati.
Our potential is immense. I mean, we can trade and commerce and tourism and everything. You know, people like us, when we go and people from them there, when they come in, hopefully they will come. They will see that yes, there is someone we know in Guwahati. So they will be more emboldened to come here. And that way, hopefully, trade will take off.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step or a single push on the start button. Today is the 5th of November 2019 and we have been flagged off from Harley-Davidson dealer showroom in the morning. A few of our brothers from our Hawk chapter will accompany us till Umsning, a small hill town 60 kilometers from here. Today we are heading for Silchar. That's about 320 kilometers from our starting point. Riding through the beautiful Khasi and Jayantia hills of Meghalaya, a state of India. We plan to cross the international border from Myanmar via Moreh in Manipur. But the journey to Silchar was not as smooth as we thought it would be. After crossing Sonapur, the rim of the front wheel on Raju's bike developed a crack, releasing the air from the tire. We managed to overcome the problem but wasted many hours, leading to delay in reaching Silchar. We reached the hotel at Silchar quite late. Now it's 11:18. I would have loved to go early in the morning, maybe by 6 to Imphal. The roads are not very good, but it seems we will be able to go by maybe by 9 a.m. tomorrow. I have to clean up my boots to arrange this thing. Probably after an hour or so, by 12, we should be able to go to sleep. Tomorrow, we are heading for Imphal, which is only 110 kilometers away from the border of Myanmar, the first country to enter from India of the 6-nation tour.